Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these crispy and cheesy cheese balls. These are perfect for snacking for all the cheese lovers out there. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिएको चाहछन्ते देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रो लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, in a bowl take half cup of boiled and grated potatoes. To that add half cup of cheese, preferably mozzarella cheese. Then mix them well with hands. Then add 1 finely chopped onion, half tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 chopped green chili, few chopped coriander leaves, salt according to taste, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything and combine. Now add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix well and form a dough. Take small portions from the dough and make balls. Prepare all the balls like this. Now to prepare a slurry, take half cup of Maida, 1/4 cup of corn flour and half teaspoon of salt in a bowl. Mix everything well. Gradually add water to form a semi-thick slurry. Our slurry has perfect consistency now. Dip the prepared balls in the slurry and then coat it well with breadcrumbs. Prepare all the cheese balls like this. You can store it in the freezer in an airtight container for about a week. Now heat oil in a kadai and deep fry the cheese balls. Deep fry them till they turn golden brown in color. Our cheese balls have turned perfectly golden brown. Take them out and serve hot. Our crispy and cheesy delicious snacks are ready now. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.